Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera and tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you just have to enable scan QR, and now you can scan QR codes just with your camera. So let me show you some QR code. Here we have QR code, and now let's try to scan it. And as you can see, it found this website encoded in this QR code, and we can enter it, but unfortunately I have my internet connection disabled. But you can see there was this page. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.